you guys are doing great. So yesterday I shopped quite a bit and I asked you guys on my Instagram if you would want to see a haul and you guys said yes. So here I am with a haul. So we went to Dera City Center and me and my mom accidentally entered this shop called as Shoe City. Shoe City. Yeah, that's right. Shoe City. And they had amazing sale. So they had Hush Puppy shoes. They were just for 20 dirhams. And this is the first pair of shoes that I got. It is maroon in color with violet color lining over here. It is of such a great quality. I can wear this on everyday basis and I'm sure it's gonna last me over a year because again, it's Hush Puppies and it's original. So 20 dirham for Hush Puppy was a steal. And my mom only wears Hush Puppies. And yesterday she went a little crazy. She saw a lot of shoes of my sizes. And she just picked it up and said, just buy this, buy this, buy this. And I was in shock that why is my mom telling me to buy more shoes. She got me this one as well, which is off-white. And I love it. It has elastics over here, so this fits very well. And again, shoes which I can wear with kurtis or jeans. And it's so basic. I love such simple shoes which has no lot of designs. I mean, I love it when it's very simple, plain basic color. And I did not have something like this. It's like a loafer. So I got this one. Now I don't wear a lot of heels and I really want to start wearing heels. So this is one of the heel purchase I would say. This is like a basic black shoes which you can never go wrong with. And also, mind you, I cannot wear chappals. I fall down when I wear chappals. So all you'll see in me is in sneakers, shoes, boots, velvet flats, etc. So this is what I got. And this is probably my favorite purchase of the shoes because I have been wanting boots since so long but I could never find the perfect boot. And I thought कि मुंबई में रह के boots पहन के क्या करूँगी. But now since I'm staying over here, we still have a month of winter over here. So I can definitely wear boots. And I found these. My mom found it actually. It is so freaking beautiful. It's basic black. कुछ ज़्यादा नखरे नहीं है, but it's amazing. It has zip over here. I can wear this with tights and oversized hoodie. That's my go-to style. So I love it, and it has perfect heels as well. And it fits me beautifully. I was so glad that they had a lot of my sizes. The other thing I got is hijab from Carrefour. So this year I want to make it a habit of wearing hijab, and that is the reason why I've started to collect hijab. And I got them for 5 dirhams only, so I picked up like 4 to 5 colors because I was not sure about the quality and how it's gonna stay. So the first one is this, the one I'm wearing right now. It's like a peach color and goes well with my top that I'm wearing, contrast. So I love this. The second one which I got was this green color. This is such a beautiful olive green color and it's amazing for winter weathers. This color goes well. You can see I'm obsessed with it already. I've got like few more shirts of the same color. The next I got is this grey color. It's like a cotton material, so it's gonna stay, and this is such a great thing for everyday use. The next one is this pretty purple color, which I haven't opened it yet, but I think I will wear this one the next. And then this is the navy blue. I couldn't find black, so I got a navy blue one. The next two things which I got from the lifestyle store, and which is very random. So this is the first thing, which is the exfoliating gloves. So I got these exfoliating gloves like 2 years back and they're still in a pretty good condition. So I decided to get it just from the lifestyle. Bath and Body Works had it and few other brands had it as well. But I think these are the perfect ones. I don't like using loofah while taking a bath. This is something which acts like a scrub every day to your body. So I use gloves. And now I got another sanitizer holder. I'm kind of obsessed with collecting it, so I got this cute one. I spotted this white watch which was on sale and which is from Casio, so you can never go wrong with Casio, and Casio is my favorite brand when it comes to watches. So I got this one. It's very simple and it's so great with casual tees and jeans, etc. And it's white. The only reason I got it's because it's white. Next store I went to is Victoria's Secret, and there's just one thing which I got from Victoria's Secret because I find it's a little expensive, I'd say. but they had good offer going on Body Splash. I wanted to get more, but then I saw there were good offers going on in Bath and Body Works as well, and I like Bath and Body Works over Victoria's Secret. So I just got one Body Splash, which is called Champagne Glow. So it smells like all party-like. It smells very fresh and floral at the same time. So it's like a day wear body splash, or you can even wear it at night as well. But this is like a perfect balance of fresh and floral. Now, the next thing is this huge bag of Bath and Body Works. Oh god. And it's pretty heavy. So I picked up 5 body lotions for myself. The first one is La Fleur. This is by Bath and Body Works. And it smells very floral, very fresh, again same like the Victoria's Secret one. So I thought this will go well together with the other one. And this smell is not so overpowering, so it'll be great for a daytime body lotion. The next one which I got is Pink Cashmere. The description says Pink Cashmere Shea and Vitamin E Body Lotion, Pink Jasmine Petals, White Amber and Cashmere Musk. So that is exactly how it smells. Now I'm really bad at describing this fragrances, but I love it. The next one which I got is Warm Vanilla Sugar. Now I really love sugary and vanilla fragrance, so this was a really good one. And the description says intoxicating vanilla, white orchid and sparkling sugar. The next one is Walking Beach Coconut. This is like a coconut fragrance, and it's really good actually. I love coconut fragrances. And the description says beach coconut, saltwater breeze and sun bleached woods. So this is summer in a bottle. Now the next one is again a sugar based body lotion. It says wrapped in sugar, and the description says coconut martini, marshmallow musk and soft amber. So all these body lotion, I used to find it really hyped when I used to watch all these international bloggers showing body lotion purchases during their sale. But now I realize that why people love it so much. Apart from having amazing fragrances, it stays on entire day. It's moisturizing for skin. It actually works as a moisturizer and not just for fragrance, and the scent stays all day. Next I got are some shower gel. Now that I see, I just got 3 shower gels. I think I'll have to get more because I run out of these shower gels a lot. And this one is a poolside pop. The packaging is so cute. It's pink and flamingos, and this goes well together with the coconut beach one. So they both are more like a poolside, beachy and summery vibes to them. Next I got is Wrapped in Sugar, and I got this one to pair it with the body lotion. The next one I got is from their Christmas collection, which is Sugar Plum Swirl. And I got this to pair with the vanilla one. Let me grab it. This one. So these two go well together. Sometimes the body wash and the body lotion, they both become very overpowering. So I like to balance it out with different fragrance but of the same category. I just have 2 body splash with me. One is this poolside one. The same I have the body wash, and the other one is Wrapped in Sugar. So I've got the entire set for the Wrapped in Sugar. So my mom and dad, they love the hand wash from Bath and Body Works, and so I decided to get them. Actually mom picked it up. So she got Watermelon Lemonade. This is a hand wash. And the other one is Sea Salt Citrus. There's this one thing which I got, which is called as Salted Caramel Apricot Body Cream. So now when I went, there were no hand creams available, so I decided to keep this in my bag because I always have hand creams and my hands are always dry. So I need to reapply hand creams every few hours. And I always have a sanitizer that is attached to my bag. But I'm pretty upset that Bath and Body Works changed their packaging. So now it comes in this bottle. So my new pouch is not going to work for them. So I got about 6 of them. The first one is Berry Berry Kiss. Second one is Winter Candy Apple. The third one is Wrap Queen, Fresh Sparkling Snow, Winter White Woods. This looks so gorgeous. I love it. And I've got the other one which is inside my bag already, which I'm using, which is black in color. But this one is so beautiful. Now if you guys have seen my skincare routine, you guys know that I used Patanjali aloe vera gel, which I'm not really happy about, but I couldn't find any aloe vera gel. But yesterday at the body shop, I saw this aloe vera gel The original price for this was 37 dirhams or 39 dirhams and I got it for 20 dirhams. So I'm really excited to see how it works. I like to use aloe vera gel before applying makeup as a primer. Talking about makeup, I did get a few makeup products. Not very fancy ones, but something that's really basic which I can use it every day. And all of these makeup are tested, so I can give you a little mini review as well. So the first thing which I got is Wet n Wild Mega Glow. It slides smooth onto cheeks, lips and eyes. So it's basically for your cheeks, lips and eyes. I like to use it as an highlighter. It's rose gold and goes perfect with my skin tone. I accidentally poked my nails into there, but it's cream in consistency and I've already used it. Next thing again from Wet n Wild I got is their Ultimate Mineral Powder Foundation. So I got this if I don't want to apply some foundation, I can just use it. It's like a powder consistency. I don't want to open it because it will just shatter everywhere. So it's really good. Like both the price, not that great coverage, but it definitely glows up your skin a little. There are two products from Essence. Essence is actually one of my favorite brands. It's low in price and it has amazing quality of product. The first thing which I got is a mattifying compact powder. It's as simple as it says, it mattifies your face. I've got a combination skin, matches my skin tone perfectly, and also it does its job really well. And this is one of my favorite things, which is Essence Prismatic Hollow Lighter Stick. So it's a highlighter, but look at it, how gorgeous it is. It's pigmented and it's like a hollow stick. I'm really bad at these swatch games. This is the first time I'm filming a haul video, I guess. So this is another company called Mikyajy. That is how you pronounce, I guess. So I never use concealer. I think that's too much for me, who is not so much into putting on makeup. But I decided to get it. So they were having good sales, so I decided to just give it a try, and I've already tried using concealer as well. So it has 4 natural shades. I'll still have to figure out how to use it because I'm not very good at concealer, so I never use it. I got a bronzing stick and it's beautiful, beautiful. And the last thing in makeup that I got is Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Transforming Foundation. For the longest time I've been using Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I really wanted to try something else because I'm somebody who's scared of change. If I like something, I'll go and keep on purchasing it again and again and again and never discover something that's new. So I decided to at least stick to the same brand because I love Maybelline, and I saw the Superstay, which sounded great, Superstay. So I just got it and it works pretty fine. It's same that like of Maybelline, but if you have oily skin and if you stay in a very humid place, definitely you would want to go for Fit Me because it keeps your face dry. Not dry, but a good dry. But this one is good for winter climates where I do not get oily a lot. Now I promise this is the last bit of the haul. So I got few accessories from H&M and Clairs. So the first thing which I got from H&M are this set of earrings. It has all sailor type, marine sort of a design earrings. I love it. It has anchor, diamond, star, shells and stars again and shells again. So yeah. This is a bracelet that I got which has north, south, east and west. So I actually thought this is going to be a very dainty small necklace. But I got back home and I saw it's a bracelet. So it's gonna look good with a gold watch. I like it. And the other thing which I got is a slave bracelet. So this is a slave bracelet. So it has a ring which you can wear it in the middle finger and then wear it as a bracelet. So it's a slave bracelet. And from Clairs, I got these bangles. So I got 2 of these heart ones which is silver. One I've already started wearing it. So it is very dainty silver and it's just a simple bangle so that you can wear it. And then the other thing is this diamond cuff. It's beautiful. It has diamond on both the ends and this is how it looks on my hand. So yeah, it's I've noticed that it's better that if you wear something in your hand, it's much better than keeping hands empty. I know it's very contrary to what I'm doing right now, but a watch and a cuff or maybe a ring or few rings will look beautiful. So that is it, guys. That's a lot of stuff which I got, I know. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also guys, if you want to know where to shop, how to shop, etc. in Dubai, I can do a video upon it. I know all the places where to get good clothes and good shopping. I know a lot of places where you can get good cheap stuff but of good quality, which I generally buy and which lasts me really long. Or I can do an entire video talking about it. And also if you want me to do a lot more hauls, I can do that as well, because I know I'm gonna shop quite a bit. I haven't bought any clothes, so that's what I'm gonna buy next. And yeah, that is it. I hope you like it. Bye.